A to B, but yeah, you don't have to switch floors.
So we go like after.
Yeah, you'll have to get one of them. Did you bring your wallet? This is a good start. It's ready. Yeah, I know it's really
Mine are all DC.
Come on, let's go find Mama.
All right.
The cafeteria is pretty cool. I'll come to school here some days.
Stop talking. Okay. Why you keep talking?
Going to the third floor.
I didn't have any.
It's all right. It's been 4 years. I see it.
Hey. I used to love working out in the morning because I felt like
Well, he doesn't work out until 6th hour. And then his algebra teacher. That's really good.
What they told you, David?
we don't have a tight end.
But I mean,
He knows his way around.
Micah can run like 10 miles at that pace and still keep going.
I was going to. I'm your biggest fan.
I don't even know when my first. Okay.
Go ahead and feed that ego.
No teachers.
Okay, I actually have to go.
Yeah. Robbie's buying season tickets just so he can watch it.
Really?
Yeah.
Bye.
She's like, really? Well played.
Okay, let's go and meet your teacher. Toodles, Gus.
Toodles. Luck.
Yeah, stop following us.
We've literally been to every school the same night.
I know.
Pinky needs to show up. Christopher, she didn't bring Pinky.
So I do. Your mom does. Register club classes, so I'm going to do a little hair and then we're going to cost me $100. Here, I'll play for your dad. He's living in the food. Talking to the guy. Making friends. But no homework. That's good. Work hard.
I got excited.
But he hates the Cardinals. Let's go.
Huh?
He hates the Cardinals.
It's fine.
We left. And we're done. I know, but she's somebody come to the salon and she'll get it for me.
We're doing a raffle for 5 starts. Here. Good luck. See you.